What's up, tech lovers? Great to have you back. Let's jump right into today's fascinating tech discovery. Today, we're going to explore the incredible RAINBOWDGT UV Printer Machine, a game changer in the world of printing technology. This multifaceted printer is not just a device. It's a gateway to unlocking your full creative potential, whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a small business owner, or an artist looking to bring your visions to life. One of the standout features of the RAINBOWDGT UV printer is its upgraded UV printing capabilities. This includes a white ink circulation and agitation mixing system, which is a total lifesaver. Imagine being able to print without the constant worry of sediment buildup clogging your nozzles. This system ensures that your prints come out flawless every time, with vibrant colors and a glossy finish that's not just aesthetically pleasing, but also waterproof, UV-resistant, and scratch-resistant. This level of quality adds a professional touch to your work, making it perfect for creating custom phone cases, personalized gifts, or even products to sell. But what really sets this printer apart is how beginner-friendly it is. It comes with a Windows laptop that's pre-installed with the printer drivers, which means you can skip the hassle of complex setups. All you need to do is import your design and click print. This seamless data transfer and efficient printing process make it incredibly easy to get started, even if you have no prior experience with printing. Whether you're looking to start a small business or just explore your creative side, this printer makes it possible to launch your DIY entrepreneurial journey with ease. The speed and precision of the RAINBOWDGT UV printer are also worth mentioning. Equipped with Epson's XP600 6-color printhead, this printer works twice as fast as many other models on the market, such as the L1800 and L805. But speed doesn't compromise quality. The software print resolution can be set to 57601440 dpi, 28801440 dpi, or 14401440 dpi, ensuring ultra-high precision in every print. This means you get vibrant colors, sharp details, and exceptional saturation, making your prints truly stand out. Whether you're printing on phone cases, bottles, acrylic, or any other material, the result is always professional grade. The versatility of this printer is another key feature that's hard to ignore. It's not just limited to standard flat and cylindrical printing. You can achieve gloss effects, print stickers, and even do 3D embossing, opening up a world of creative possibilities. The large 19.7 x 12.6 inch printing area ensures that you can work with a variety of materials and sizes, from small items like phone cases and bottles to larger surfaces like acrylic and metal sheets. This level of versatility, combined with the printer's precision and speed, makes it an invaluable tool for anyone looking to explore different printing techniques and materials. Lastly, the built-in vacuum adhesion platform is a feature that ensures your materials remain securely positioned throughout the printing process. This eliminates the risk of shifting or misalignment, which can ruin your prints and waste your time and materials. With this platform, you can focus on your designs and creativity, knowing that the technical aspects of printing are well taken care of. In conclusion, the RAINBOWDGT UV Printer Machine is an exceptional piece of technology that combines ease of use, versatility, speed, and precision to offer a printing experience like no other. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this printer has the potential to unlock new creative avenues and business opportunities. So, if you're ready to take your printing to the next level, make sure to check out the RAINBOWDGT UV Printer. Find the link in the description below to learn more and to get your hands on this incredible machine. Don't miss out on the chance to revolutionize your printing and bring your ideas to life in the most vibrant and professional way possible. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.